In our last investigation, we exposed how the appliance industry has been hollowed out. How the brands your father trusted have been reduced to logos stamped on disposable plastic. The comments were brutal. Thousands of you asked about the most expensive machine in your home. The one bolted to a concrete pad outside your house, your HVAC system. You told us your Carrier died after 8 years. You told us your Lennox needed a $2,400 circuit board at year 6. You told us your Goodman started leaking refrigerant before the warranty ink was dry. If the biggest names in heating and cooling are selling you time bombs wrapped in sheet metal, what is left? What do actual HVAC technicians put in their own homes? Today, we are answering that. We have compiled the Mechanic's Survival List, the 3 strategies the experts use to protect their own families from the efficiency trap. But first, the rules. Everything on this list was chosen using one strict principle: built to be serviced, not sealed. Built to be understood, not subscribed to. If a technician cannot diagnose it with a basic multimeter and fix it with parts off his truck, it does not make this list. We call this the comfort blueprint. Strategy 1. The refrigerant trap. Before we talk brands, you must understand the single biggest financial threat to your home. The government phase out. For 20 years, your AC ran on R410A refrigerant. It worked. Parts were everywhere. But in 2025, federal mandates forced manufacturers to switch to a new chemical called R454B. Here is the autopsy. It is classified as mildly flammable. Because of that, every new unit is now legally required to have leak detection sensors and dedicated control boards. More electronics. More points of failure. More cost. But the real crime? It is completely unproven. R410A had 18 years of field testing before it became the standard. This new equipment is first-generation beta testing, and you are the guinea pig. Here is the command. If your current R410A system still runs, do not let a salesman scare you into ripping it out. The old refrigerant is legal to produce until 2035. Avoid the first-generation trap. Get a second opinion. Always. Strategy 2. The ductless fortress. If you must replace your system, here is what technicians actually buy. They skip central air entirely and install Mitsubishi ductless mini splits. The lie of central air is the ductwork. A standard system loses up to 40% of its energy blowing through leaks in your attic or crawl space. The machine is fighting your house before the air ever reaches your living room. A mini split connects the heavy outdoor compressor directly to the room. No ducts. No leaks. Wait, don't mini splits use the variable speed computer boards we usually tell you to avoid? Yes. But Mitsubishi invented this specific technology in 1959. They have spent 65 years perfecting it. While your neighbor's American-made central unit burns through capacitors and fries circuit boards, a Mitsubishi is running at 30% power, silently sipping electricity, lasting 20 years. It is an industrial solution to a residential scam. Strategy 3. The single-stage secret. If your home's layout absolutely requires ducted air, here is the mechanic's fallback. Buy a single-stage system. Do not buy the variable speed. Do not buy the 2-stage. Do not buy the unit with the Wi-Fi thermostat that phones home to the manufacturer. A single-stage air conditioner is pure, mechanical simplicity. It has 2 settings, on and off. No proprietary inverter board. No communicating control module between you and cold air. Is the SEER efficiency number lower? Yes. But here is the secret. When an inverter board fails on a high-efficiency unit in year 7, it costs you $1,200 and takes 3 weeks to ship from overseas. When a capacitor fails on a single-stage unit, a technician replaces it in 20 minutes for $200. The most efficient system in the world is worthless if it is broken. Here's what the industry refuses to tell you. The SEER rating on the yellow tag is a lie. It is designed to sell you the most expensive unit on the showroom floor. Every time the Department of Energy raises the minimum efficiency standards, manufacturers add more sensors, more circuit boards, and more fragility. We call it progress. The technicians call it engineered failure. The efficiency trap is simple. They sell you a unit that saves $15 a month on your electric bill, but they charge you $3,000 more upfront and $1,200 when the board dies. You never break even. You are just renting your air conditioner. Stop buying the SEER number. Stop buying the touchscreen thermostat. Stop buying the smart system that needs Wi-Fi to cool your house. Buy the simple compressor. Buy the serviceable unit. Buy the system a mechanic can fix at midnight in August. Because the most efficient air conditioner you will ever own is the one that is still running 15 years from now. And that has nothing to do with the number on the yellow sticker. It has everything to do with the iron inside the box.